full of...
There's always more zombie dogs, Hanno. No. Mm-mm. We have zombie leeches this time. We have zombie leeches. Can just stab them? I swear to God, if that's a dog... Fuck! Are you kidding me? There wasn't anything back here that I needed, right? Can I have some alcohol before I go? These bottles must have fallen over when the emergency brake was activated. Glasses and bottles are scattered all over the counter. Can I have the money? Can I have the money? Like, I'm a broke ass convict. Can I have the money? No? Dang it. 9 times 9 would be 81. So I need a little less than that. 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. At 7, we're at 63, 72, 80, 81. Oh my God. Whew. Math. Under pressure. Ooh, I got a 2-for-1. Jesus Christ. That was rude as hell. You're also going to see, aside from the bread making today, you're going to see me use no measuring. You're actually going to get to see me measure from my heart. I'd say my soul, but I'm a ginger and I don't have one, so. Womp womp. True story. When I was growing up, I quickly realized I don't really care for the flavor of meat. I just don't. I never have, and I probably never will. There are some meats that I'm like, yeah, I can tolerate this. Very few that I'm like, this is delicious. I thought long and hard about being a vegetarian because I didn't like the flavor of meat, but I couldn't give up my grandmother's meatballs, which is what I'm making right now. I couldn't give them up. I absolutely had to have her meatballs in my damn life. And so I coined the phrase casual vegetarian because for the most part, I was a vegetarian. But every now and then there was just one particular meat dish that I absolutely had to have. So, casual. Casual vegetarian. I am the epitome of a vampire. I can't have garlic. The sun is not my friend. I tend to be a night owl. I have a fascination with blood. Like, all I need now is to become the undead and I fit the profile perfectly. Okay, we're gonna go play in the oven. Near the oven. Don't burn yourself if you go near ovens, friends. Don't burn yourself near ovens. And I also would like to do that. Okay. So I am going to need hot mitts. Oh my God, it's beautiful. Oh my God, that is a gorgeous looking bread. I don't like whatever that noise is. Oh, it's dead. Dear God, yeah, I really didn't like those noises. Oh my God, what a time. What a time to need to reload. You... Oh, that works! Okay, well, we stomped on his head. Press the button. You're goddamn right. Rebecca, you need some work on your playing. Play the piano using Rebecca. Does that mean I get another achievement if I use Billy? Is Billy any better at playing the piano than Rebecca is? Let's find out. You're hoping for something cute? I'm in a mansion full of zombies, but sure, I'll take a break and play the... Exactly, Carrie. He's definitely... He's better than Rebecca! He opened a door! I can still breathe, so it's okay. Cue intense groans. Listen, here's the thing. Until it becomes so severe that it might actually kill you to eat dairy, everybody who is lactose intolerant will make one of two choices. Take Lactaid, like the pill, and eat the dairy, or say YOLO and eat the dairy. There is no in between. I have never met anybody with any level of lactose intolerance that doesn't involve anaphylactic shock who doesn't still eat the dairy in some way, shape, or form. You're a YOLO gal, fuck it, we ball. Exactly, Mark. Exactly. You cook it, it breaks the protein. There you go. YOLO. See? See? That's the way it is. That's how we all are. Why do I curse you, Lily? How did I curse you? By talking about wet undies or wet socks? That's true. You cannot get a UTI from wet socks. Just athlete's foot. Which... Fun fact, if you don't realize you have athlete's foot and you scratch your feet and then you touch your eyes or any other sensitive areas, you can transfer athlete's foot to those sensitive areas. It is entirely possible to get athlete's foot in your eyeballs. Hang on. I defeated it with a knife. Okay, well that worked. Okay, we're gonna need that key for something. Whoa, son! Please let me shoot. It's not dead yet. Oh my god, there's more of them. Just run, Rebecca. Just run. We're leaving this room for the moment. This door looks mighty handy, though. What's behind door number 1? Oh, God. That thing. That thing is behind door number 1. Ugh. Here we go. You son of a dog biscuit wielding hoe bag. It ate me with no way. Billy, what were you doing? Good job, Billy. Oh, Lord. Oh, my God. Disgusting. Okay, well that works. I feel like it can't be this easy.
What? It's the Queen!
The self-destruct system has been activated. All personnel evacuate immediately.
Investigate the surrounding area.
No guns, only slamming people. Wesker do like to be slamming people.
Captain, look.
Mm-hmm. And when we're not fighting, he can slay me any day. But. And choking. True. True. It's true.
Captain.
Right now, like Frank, you want to change your angle to 0 because you're putting it in.
Scroll way down.
I didn't intend to hit Allie, but okay.
You are in my way, man. Wow.
And you thought you played with balls better than this? Balls are not my forte. Full speed. Okay.
Squat, stand first.
But I do like to hit people with them.
I like how Nika has like a fucking wave of cameras following her.
Listen, what can I say? My B stick is pretty popular.
The B stick? The B
My
stick?
B stick. No! Ooh, an item. An item. What can I get?
Uh-oh.
Speed
Jesus.
boost!
I'm not completing this one.
Oh my god. Yep, because I pee like a man, according to my brother. Like, do what you gotta do to do right by yourself, Ragnarok. Going to school is never a bad idea. Get out of here, sir. Go fuck yourself. I was having a conversation. I was doing things.
Thank you.
So rude. Interrupting me like that. Talking with my friend. Stub your toe. Get hit with a flashlight. My god. Imagine!
He's going for you, Sam?
Yes, the turban
He
to
hit the
protect
wrong
us, okay.
person!
You hit the wrong person. Haha.
To the door!
To the door.
Do you still have BT?
Yep.
We're safe! Let's go! I'm heading down to basement. It's in Killer Shack. Oh, we got another chainsaw. Is it Billy or is it Bubba, though?
I don't know.
I think it's Billy just from the way it revved. Imagine it's Bubba and he's gonna play Protect His Chest, and here I am already in the basement raiding it. Nope, it's Billy. But that would be funny.
Can't see fucking anything on this map, bro. Please turn the lights back on.
Blinded him!
Are you guys in the boon?
I am in the booth, yes. And I'm up. Speed you up a little bit there. Oh, he has septic touch. Okay.
He left me. Man, getting the blind in darkness was baller.
Okay, he's going towards that gen. I'm gonna crawl to the boon again. I'm in the boon.
He doesn't know. It's gonna be a very long game of cat and mouse, Lily.
Yeah, I know.
He doesn't know?
He doesn't know.
Ooh, big swings.
Bye.
Alright, there you go. Make you use that M2.
You're rubbing me with your butt. What are we doing, Mr. Doctor? What are we doing?
Chlorophobia.
Okay. Oh, you hit me. Wow. Good job. Good job.
Oh, this chlorophobia is gonna be the death of me. I probably.
You missed through
Sorry.
my leg spike. Yeah, you look up.
There you
Take
go.
it.
You look up, sir.
I hate hate chlorophobia. It's so fucking stupid.
I run chlorophobia for my anti-heal Wesker.
Yeah, I mean, don't get me wrong, it's a good perk. Like, it doesn't matter even if I'm anticipating it. I can never hit those fucking skill checks. It irritates me.
He's gone. Because we can do this. We can have a nice little run. I don't care if I'm crazy. Yep, you break that. Now I'm gonna go this way. Sorry, sir, that's not where I am. Yep. He's leaving me.
Saw me?
Enjoy
What?
that two-gen
He's
run.
leaving me?
I
He's
did enjoy
trying
that
to come
2-gen
back to
run.
you?
Doesn't that make him silent? He is
I hope
silent,
so.
Emmy. I hate all of this. I hate everything about this. I'm leaping! Oh
Yeah,
my
it's a med
god!
Take it.
Jeannie, was this an okay gen?
Leap!
Yeah.
I'm at main.
I'm touching Kayla's gen.
Leap!
Woo woo.
Boo boo.
Sir, I will run the absolute bejesus out of you around Maine. If I must.
I'm watching her run this and I almost forgot I have to do skill checks.
Okay, I think he's gone.
Hold on, wait. Let me be a part of this heal. I'm coming.
Okay, I will let you heal.
Okay, okay. You can heal with me. I just need to be here when it finishes. That's all. Yeah. There we go. I got my conviction. Super good.
Oh, he's a Walter. Sorry, sir.
I don't know if this gen is good, but I've been sitting on it for a minute.
Have you laid an egg over there?
Yeah. You know.
Yeah, he came up and I didn't hear him at all.
He went in the door.
He's still with you?
He's not anymore!
But hear me out. What if you went more crazy?
I mean, is it even possible at this point?
I mean, you never know.
I mean, we can find out.
I'm driving this man. Oh! Jesus Christ.
I mean, it is still technically a, wait, it's not hollow.
I don't make it. Oh, I wasn't injured! I thought I was injured this whole time!
No, you were just crazy.
Hey, Lily, I went to shop.
Okay. I'm next to, like, Fun Bus.
I'm not gonna
There's a
lie,
generator.
I basically have wall hacks on this man right now. Because
Hell
every
yeah.
time I scream, woo! I get to see his aura.
Every
For
time
a
you
couple
would've
of
screamed,
seconds.
Yeah.
That one I didn't make. That was a beautiful run, though. Just have to not be seen.
Well, and you don't scream, so.
I don't, but I don't know if he actually gets to see my aura. He did. He did get to see my aura.
Oh, he doesn't know.
The lack of the screaming is screwing him up.
That's what's gonna save you, is the fact that you can scream.
Yep.
Let's do this. Big shock.
Good shit.
Ah,
Good shit.
beautiful!
Is he coming? Is he coming?
He's definitely coming. He's following. He's above us.
I want that totema.
Lily stole mine from over here.
What do you mean stole? You were on the gen.
Oh, he's right here.
Yeah, he is.
Oh.
I saw that.
I'm
give
so
you
glad I
one.
didn't panic.
I'm so glad you didn't panic either, Brandy.
Okay. Couldn't swing him.
That's gonna be awkward. Surely he doesn't notice.
Are you right there in the corner?
Yeah,
Yes,
he's
I
got
am.
up here.
Oh my
Okay.
god.
Oh shoot. Oh gosh.
He didn't notice, Brandy. Where'd you go?
I
Basement?
don't know why I do that.
Hang on.
I found it.
Okay.
I
He's
wanna
got
go down
bamboozle?
fast.
Oh,
was
there,
a
there,
chest
there.
over
Oh, you didn't even know.
Oh my god, Brandy!
What the hell just happened?
Shenanigans just happened! We are slugging for the 4K.
I'm gonna deny him the 4K.
Yeah, right?
We'll bleed out in the corner somewhere.
Oh my god.
That was right above your bun. Nice.
Beautiful.
Okay.
I
she better
cannot
dip after
believe
that.
I got that off. Just trust me when I say I can't believe I managed that. But I don't make another window, I don't think. Yeah.
Bring her.
I've got a pinhead.
Were you running?
Sorry, sir, that's a no from me.
There you go. I'm gonna get this boon real quick, or this.
Oh, that's a yes from you that time.
Yep. I was gonna say he's trying to cut you off.
Yeah. His basement
Yeah.
and shack?
Might wanna run.
It is.
Oh my god.
I'm sorry, Brandy.
It's okay.
He broke
Breaking
open the
this
door.
down.
He doesn't know that I was like right behind you guys. I'm going to the basement. He has no idea. He has no idea. It's fine. I'm gonna open this chest down here. Sorry, I gotta go, sir.
Yeah. Sam's got
Nice.
shit to do. Sam's got shit to do. Okay.
Yeah, I'm too busy for
Yeah,
this. I just want to like hold shift and crawl faster.
Right?
Oh!
Nice.
Very nice. Very nice.
I wasted
Holy
just enough time.
Oh my god, we got stuck on each other.
Should have enough time to recover. Yes,
Yep,
you
just let him get
will.
away. We run!
Yes, that was gorgeous.
Oh my god! Hi, David. Oh! We got him! We're heading to the exit. Yep, they got him down. That's beautiful. That is beautiful. Drop him there. Because if they want to sit in the exit gate, excellent. We were not getting him to the hook. Dwight was gonna sabotage it, so we just drop him. We just drop him.
Die already, hedge-born fool.
I'll take 1 kill. It's better than none. Misinformation when it's about your personal self is not necessarily a bad thing if it's for people who are willing to buy your information. The ones I love are the people who bought my information based on the fact that I own a business. But the thing is I'm registered online for 2 businesses, and I love it when they call me and they're like, I'm looking to speak to the business owner, and I'm like, for which business? And then they have to stumble and figure it out. They're not prepared for that. And it is hilarious. How did the cookie serenade went down hanging the pool? Ooh, I would love a pool. That is like on my wish list for when Seamus and I have our own permanent house that we're gonna be living in forever and ever and ever, is to put a pool on the property. I originally wanted an in-ground pool like my grandmother had, but I have given up on that and settled for the fact that it will be faster, cheaper, and easier to maintain an above-ground pool. So, fuck it. Once we have our property, an above-ground pool is going to happen. Because on the really, really hot days, I just want to be in the pool. I love water. Minus showering, because showering is a task and a chore, and I don't like taking time for that. Pools are fun. Showers, not so much. Hey, look, Seamus, we're on a date. I'm gonna shit my brains out after this date because you know me and coffee, but like, we went on a coffee date. How spectacular. Preemptively. Whoop. I'll just preemptively give you the milk. Kissy's gonna want this. Oh, Kissy didn't. Kissy neither wanted milk nor an extra coffee. This is a Kissy imposter. It is a Kissy imposter. I repeat, we had an imposter. My goodness. My goodness, stop pooping into the pile I'm cleaning up. That was a sentence. That was a sentence that came out of my mouth.